incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's turn for the incremental element filtering, because we do it once, but you can iterate on that. Let's see how it's done. And one last detail is that you can do this incrementally. So now we know we're filtering items whose U factor is 7 or higher. But now I also want to further filter that. So F8, now I can disable this because this is already satisfied in this context, it's already opened. And now I want a factor that is quite low. So let's use the default in Anki, 2.5. Let's see what happens. Hey, there are 10 elements that the A factor was actually kind of low, but the U factor was massively high. That means that was a schedule in an interval that didn't increase that much, according to the previous interval, but I did the repetition so late that it was, I don't know how many times. We will see that now. This example. What type of words can non-action on route read to correctly? Non-words and regular words. Okay. So that has an A factor of 2.2. It's quite low for me. But the U factor, wait, let me restore the U factor is 48, and I can know that. Look at that. It was 1 day and a half. This is rounded to 2 days. And according to the A factor, it's 2.2 times this. So 5 days. But instead of 5 days, I did the repetition 48 days later. That's one example. You can do as much combinations as I want. If you want to filter, depending on the results you're getting on the list, that's more than I thought I have. Let me filter now by interval. So I want very large intervals. I don't want the cases that the U factor is because the first interval is 1 single day, stuff like that. I can set an interval of at least a month. And let's see what pops. In this case, I have the same 10, I think. Doesn't make a difference. And now I can see a priority, and okay, it's so easy that in this case I will do it manually instead of the filter. And those are the five elements I wanted. This is useful for subset reviews and just for as a query. I want to see if that's the case. Do I have leeches this year about this concept? Can be anything. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.